So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to extend out that architecture across the network using software. We're going to define a software-defined wide area networking technology using VeloCloud. And what VeloCloud is going to allow Acme to do is get the rock-solid network resiliency and provide the best user experience, both for those personnel who are in the store, as well as for the shoppers who walk into the store. And that's all going to be done with simplicity and edge-based orchestration. So edge-based orchestration is going to satisfy the needs of the IT community. Now, you can think that across these 250 globally connected edge locations, there may not be some locations where a wired infrastructure is available. But VeloCloud can support that same network resiliency regardless of the underlay. So using fixed wireless access on 5G or the recently available satellite connectivity, VeloCloud can optimize the traffic on those kinds of underlays as well. And the best part of this is, you've heard a lot about AI. VeloCloud is AI ready, because the nature of traffic that AI brings is very different from the traffic that we've seen today. With almost 500,000 endpoints that we've already deployed and 5 trillion data points that we see every year, we can recognize the details of AI traffic. And because it looks very different from today's traffic, there's a lot more data being generated from every one of those edges. That data is multimodal. And so all of that data going upstream, that data has to be optimized for low latency so that Acme can continue to get to the business goals that it has.